So quickly discuss, we were on a question number 6 simply because we done the question before 6, but we are now on question number 6. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में क्या बोला जा रहा है, मैसर्स बालाजी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड ऑफ चेन्नई तमिलनाडु हैंडेड ओवर सर्टेन गुड्स टू ट्रांसपोर्टर मैसर्स सुपरफास्ट रोडवे on 15 December to be delivered to Messrs Anna Electronics in Vellore, Tamil Nadu, amounting to 3 lakh. The said goods were chargeable to tax at 18% GST. CGST as GST, the proper officer intercepted the vehicle under section 60 of CGST in a transit and seized the goods, seized कर दिया goods को on 16 December 2000, मतलब ये. No one come forward to release the consignment till 31st December, so the proper officer issue a penalty under section 129. If no one come forward, so then 200% of tax payable or 50% of the goods. Mrs. Balaji Electronics Private Limited did not admit the entire penalty amount specified in the order and hence filed an appeal to appellate authority against the said order. From the above information gave about it, will calculate the amount of free deposit which required to deposit for filing the appeal to adjudicating authority under section this of CGST against the audit passed under section this, and the amount to be paid by Messrs Superfast Roadways for release अगर conveyance को release करना है under section 129 of the CGST of तो फिर उस केस में क्या होगा. So since no one come forward to release a consignment, penalty payable under section 129(3) shall be as follow: 50% of value of goods. 50% of value of goods was 3 lakh. 3 lakh का it is 50%. 3 lakh का 50% will be the value of goods or 200% of tax payable. यानी कि 3 lakh का we have 9% CGST as just का 200%. This will come as a 54,000. ठीक है. Whichever is higher penalty will be 3 lakh or 1,50,000 each under CGST SGST. Pre-deposit required to be deposited for filing an appeal to adjudicating authority against an order demanding penalty without involving demand of any taxes as follow. अब इसमें प्री डिपॉजिट क्या है, 10% ऑफ दी पेनल्टी इन द ऑर्डर एज अमाउंट. 10% ऑफ पेनल्टी यानी कि 3 लाख की पेनल्टी, तो 10% ऑफ penalty we have calculated, so that is 3 lakh का 10%. Pre-deposit will be 30,000, that is 15,000 each under CGST and SGST. उसके बाद हमें पूछा था कि amount to be paid by Mr. Super Fast Roadways for release of its conveyance under section 129 as follow. Penalty under section 129 will be 1,50,000 or 1 lakh whichever is less. तो 1 lakh और जितनी penalty बन रही, penalty कितनी बन रही थी हमारी 1,50,000 each under CGST SGST, तो 1,50,000 और 1 lakh whichever is less. तो penalty would be कितनी होगी 1 lakh. 1 lakh each under CGST SGST, तो penalty would be of 2 lakh rupees. ठीक है. उसके बाद we have to cover Pursuant to audit conducted by tax authority under section 65, a show-cause notice was issued to Home Furniture Surat registered supplying alleging that it had wrongly availed the input tax credit without actual receipt of goods for the month of July in the absence of satisfactory reply from the Home Furniture Joint Commissioners of Central Tax Pass and adjudication order dated 20th August received by Home Furnitures on 22nd August confirming a tax demand of 50 lakh CGST, that is 25 lakh SGST, 25 lakh, and imposing a penalty of equal amount under section 122. Home Furniture does not